Joining us now to discuss tax strategies and tips is H&R Block's Chief Tax Officer, Kathy Pickering. All right, welcome to the grimmest time of year. Glad to have you back.
All right,
so let's just start with the basic mistakes that people make, basic things people need to know. Anything new happening in the 2020 filing season?
So last year, tax reform, biggest tax change in more than 20 years, and we started seeing a couple themes. There were a few new provisions that people missed out on. One was the other dependent credit. So that's a $500 credit for children still in the household, 17 and older, as example. There was also this thing called the Qualified Business Income Deduction, or QBID, or the 20% pass-through deduction. Lets small business owners, self-employed, take 20% off the top. It came out so late. It was so confusing. People just missed it. They didn't understand it. They were afraid to take it. So those are two things that we're really hoping to make sure people understand, take advantage of. And then this is tax season, tax reform year 2. So federal changes all went in last year. State is starting to change this year. One example is people aren't able to itemize at the federal level, and in some cases they are able to itemize at the state level. So we really are seeing those kinds of things. It's a great opportunity to just get refreshed and take advantage of some of those new things.
So that extra credit for a dependent living in your home, is that really aimed at the millennials living with mom and dad?
That failure to launch.
Those pesky millennials.
It's aimed at boomers. We still have millennials.
Back home?
Well, there's one other thing about it. That child tax credit that went in last year, really good, $2,000 credit for under 17, but you had to have a Social Security number in order to be able to claim it. So for people that have ITINs and they're not able to take advantage of that, they can still take advantage of that $500 other dependent credit.
How is your business doing? Just because with all the tax reform that we've had, a lot of it is like, we're going to make it simpler, right? We're going to get rid of these itemizations. We're giving you a better deduction, so it will be easier to do.
And TurboTax has been advertising like crazy about just do it yourself on an app.
Yeah, but it's like they want to make it easier. They want to make it easier. Is that in fact happening, or are you guys still just booming business? How's it going?
In times of change, people get so confused, and they have so many questions, and they really want help. They want people to be able to answer those questions. So we have a product called Tax Pro Go, which for your millennials, for your super busy people that are really comfortable with technology, you can just take a picture of your tax documents, upload it into a secure portal, and then a tax pro who's specialized in your situation, certified in your state, takes it and does those taxes for you. And we've just seen so many people want help. They don't want to figure it out on their own, and they don't have the time.
Let the expert do it. Kathy, very quickly, I cover cryptocurrency here, and a lot of people are up in arms concerned about, Bitcoin and taxes. Are H&R Block professionals doing more, telling clients more about how to file any gains from trading cryptocurrency?
Yes, and the thing people need to know this year is, for the first time, there's a question on the tax return: do you have virtual currency? And the IRS is looking for people to self-report, right? There's not a lot of information reporting and not a lot of support in that, and they're looking for you to come forward, and they'll be more lenient, even if you don't get it right, if you're disclosing. But yeah, a lot of interest in it, and we're ready to help, absolutely.
There you go. No one gets audited anymore, but maybe if you own Bitcoin, you'll find yourself getting
a letter from your favorite people.
All right, Kathy Pickering, Chief Tax Officer at H&R Block. Thanks so much for stopping by.
Thank you.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.